He is telling this is particularly the case with older people and predominantly with women. We must treat our bodily limitations with due wisdom, at the same time ignoring them. You have to attend to certain things, but you have to ignore about these things, because if you magnify them, they will frighten you. If you believe that is real, you have something sick, then you'll be afraid. One attitude infers right physical care. So physical care should be there. You have to take care properly about the food, about the timing, these things. The other set and note for the mental reaction. So that is what is explained. So this we have to always remember. Constant dwelling on sickness, that is the most important point. This is to be neutralized. And how can we neutralize this? And this given example. One thing is a proper medication with less medicine. That is one thing. Medicine should be very less. Proper medication which is selected according to these principles, less medicine, and put the patient in such a work where he will have no time to think about himself or herself. This is the most important thing. Because if you want to put yourself in some good work, you start thinking about yourself. The more you think of yourself, you will be sick only. It is natural. When you have a physical body, there will be some pain or something, so it will be there. It is not serious. But for this, if you keep only in your room without moving and thinking, oh, I am sick, you will be sick only. Yes, that is the secret. This is true, this is real. This I can tell you from everybody can experience this. If there is really serious sickness, so it is to be eliminated, cured. Yes. Master Jwalpul, the statement has given a sentence, Master Jwalpul. Energy follows thought. That is a sentence from Master Jwalpul. Energy follows thought. So if you constantly keep thinking that you are sick, so you will be definitely sick, because the energy follows thought. This Ramakotaya, this healer, always used to tell when somebody says, I am suffering from some, yes, and he said, you will be healed provided you will not ask the higher forces for yourself. You remember that there are many more people who are suffering more than you, so you ask for them. You ask for the help for them who are suffering more, and automatically you will be healed. That is the secret. If you have a problem in the heart, you should remember that there are many millions of people who are having much more problem of the heart. So your problem is nothing before them. Don't magnify your problem. You have a problem maybe, but don't magnify it. When you pray the master or when you ask for help somebody, remember you pray for all who are suffering from this. Then you are healed. This is the secret always. This you have to apply. Ramakotaya always used to do this. Then what happens is, your suffering will be diluted and distributed. When it is distributed, then diluted, then it will disappear. It was tremendous how he does this healing. Because we have seen, we were there with him physically and observing how he was healing. There was a young man who came to him. His hand and his leg were affected because of some blockage in the heart. The doctors told him, sure, they have made all investigation, told him there is a mass, some mass is increasing, which is blocking your heart. Some type of mass, a mass substance. So the doctor said, we have to operate you, we have to make a surgery, you have to open your heart to eliminate this. And this fellow is afraid. Financially also he cannot afford, and also he was afraid if his heart is opened. He asked the doctors, can you assure? Then they said, we cannot assure you, you may die even during surgery. If it is so, why should I get this? So somebody told, and he knew Tatagaru, Mr. Ramakotaya. He came to him, please save me, he said. Okay, don't worry, he said. Sit in the prayer. And you ask the master to heal all the people who are suffering. Never for you. Made him to sit in the prayer. After the prayer, he has given sugar to him, as usual, and the holy ash, and then said, your mass will disappear. There were some doctors also who came for prayer. They also came for healing for him. They were also came. And so the doctors were listening to all this and said, how the mass will disappear? He said, you know, it will disappear. You come every day for prayer and you pray for others, not for you. This is the secret. So after 1 week, then he said, you can go and show the fellows, the doctors. And they found that the mass disappeared. How? The doctors were shocked. Without surgery, what medicine you have taken? They asked him. I have taken some sugar from some healer. Sugar from healer? They could not believe this. So, he is still living, this fellow. No problem at all. No heart problem. So this is the healing. This key is, don't dwell on your sickness. And don't pray for yourself. You ask for help for those who are suffering more than you. Then only you are helped. That is the secret of this. Vasudeva.